Welcome back, my friend, to Toolbox Tutorial channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to make stunning perspective shadow effect in Canva. It's really easy and simple to do. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. So let's begin. So first of all, what you wanna do, you're gonna go to Elements, or you have your own photo. Let's use Elements for this example. So imagine you uploaded your photo and you want to add some effect. So we first of all remove background from the photo. After that, we go here, edit, we go to shadows, and we press outline. And straight away, you see outline over the photo picture. And what you want to do, you want to change color to white. Of course, we're going to change the color of the background so we see it. Again, edit it, shadow, and we can increase outline or decrease it as much as you like. And we can also do intensity so it looks more natural or more popping out. So here go the easy way to do the perspective shadow effect. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.